Huh, okay. Well, what do we have here? Berries. So, there's actually quite a few berry bushes here, so if you want to have a quick little start and make some monies, just go to the left here. Oh, where was it now? They were here somewhere. Oh, right here. Hey. Okay, so the first thing that I would recommend you do in the beginning is get yourself the unripe berries and pick as many as you can carry and get rich. And that way you can have a very good start into the game. So let us have a quick look here. Skills and survival, and we're already gaining so many points just from collecting the berries in the beginning. So that's excellent. Skill is going up, and what we're after next is the survival sense. Will put more points into knowledge, but we maxed this out pretty quickly, so survival sense will be next. Unripe berry is worth 1 gold piece per 1 berry, right? So we've collected already 500 coins. So we have a good head start, and that's what we want to do. And we shall just collect the berries, just to, like I say, get the head start. And buy ourselves the best backpack and the biggest pouch. Okay? And now let's head off to find our Jordan guy. Uncle Jordan, here we come, yeah! Now let's test our legs real quick.
Oh yeah, that felt good. Even the game says so.
Look at that, eh? How pretty the game is. What do we got here? Is this wheat? Think so. That's wheat, that's rye or something. Hello! The little geese? Yeah, wunderbar. Look at you, little guys. I will have all of you later. I heard many stories of this useless guy. Unigoshed. Hey, stranger, what brings you to our valley? You don't look like merchant or pilgrim. No, I'm not. Rasimir's my name, and I came from the south looking for my uncle Jordan. In his old homes, they called him Jordan, the craftsman. Jordan? Ah, yes. He told me once about his life on the river. You came to the right place, but a few years too late, I'm afraid. Why that? What happened to my uncle? He was a great man and even better friend, Rasimir. As a good craftsman and excellent trader, he made a small fortune here. See the tavern over here? Oh, you mean the one that you're sitting in? He built and ran it, as well as many other shops you will find in the valley. Well, at least I have a place to stay, but tell me now, where's my uncle? Don't get your hopes up, my friend. Ownership changed after Jordan died, and there's no one left who would recognize a debt towards a distant relative. Gone is gone. The past lies forgotten. So what happened? How did he die? His track got ambushed by bandits, his cutters slaughtered. You must have put up a good fight. Took 2 with them to death, from what we saw when we searched for him. I buried him myself, or better, what the wolves left behind. I'm sorry to be the bearer of such bad news. My uncle is dead, his wealth is gone. I came all the way for nothing? Don't say that! I wouldn't let the nephew of Jordan go to west. And even if most villagers forgot fast what they owe your uncle, I have no intention to join them here. I'm the Castellan. And my word still carries weight. So tell me, can you build your own fortune? I can craft simple tools. I can collect my necessities from the wilderness. I know how to count and how to barter. That's 'cause I'm German. Ah, that's good enough. I may not have goods or gold to offer, but you can have as much land here as you want. Not sold, but granted to you for life. Build a house. Grow vegetables, keep some livestock, and follow your uncle's dream. Are you serious? My own land? As much as I want? As much as you put to good use, my boy. Thank you again. And as long as you can pay your taxes. Ah, here we go with the taxes. I understand. Do you have any advice for me to start with? You can cut down trees to build your house. Reed grows by the river. It will work well for a roof. Do you have some food with you? Not much. If necessary, you will find several vendors in our village. If you don't have any money for food, you can always look for mushrooms in the forest or hunt animals. Maybe I could earn some coins somehow? Sure, you can talk to people here in the villages. Maybe someone will pay you for your help. Thank you so much for your advice. It's time for me to find the right place. Let me see, I have something special for you. This is the hammer your uncle used to build the house in which you grew old. What better tool could you use to build your first home here? Thank you very much. See you next time. So, this old gave me a wooden hammer? This is nowhere the hammer that my Uncle Jordan would have used. He had a beautiful iron hammer.
Come get some.
I mean, Jesus, a wooden hammer. Anyway, so we can go right here. Show me your wares. And we, well, could probably just sell all of this. How about that, huh? Boom. So, 622 gold right there. And you might as well, while you're here, pick up a few flatbread. You really only need a few in the beginning. So we'll do that. And sell this. These are really good. The meat is really heavy and the nutrition is, yeah, not that good. So you might as well sell all of that. Get some coins back. And then apples, well, again, let's just eat the apples.
Cookie! Nom nom nom. Oh, nom 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 nom.
Could have probably kept a little bit of meat, but that's okay. Unfortunately, we can't do anything with this, but it will come in handy to have these things around. And then, of course, we have a couple people here we can hire, and it's actually quite interesting how this works. If you hold the focus button, you can see who's really for hire, which is the people with these little icons here, huh? And you can kind of make out what their specialty is. So this one here would be tricky. She is not a farmer, but she may be a hunter, and she's in craft. So if we talk to her, and we can also, of course, flirt with her to make her, or to try and take her as a wife. And we're gonna look for a good-looking one. She's not all that great. So, anyways, yeah, do you have a minute? It's nice weather. So weather is actually for the farmer. Recently I got into hunting. Got any tips? That will work. So 0, that's okay. Hey, do you have a minute? Gossips might work. And working. Let's see working here. 2. Approval. Okay. Do you have a minute? What a day. I've been working almost non-stop, but I know my hard work will pay off. You know what they say? Early bird gets the worm. Okay. So here's approval 70, so we would already have her, right? Can we do one more time? Yes, we can. Noble, try that. Excellent. Can we do again? We can. What a day! I've been working almost... Okay, we did that already. Can we again? We can. See if we can get it to 19. Yeah. What a day! I've been working almost non-stop, but I know my hard work will pay off. You know what they say, early bird gets the worm. Yes. So, boom, approval 90. You don't need any more, but... I want to tell you something, beautiful lady. No, we're done with that. Okay. She is definitely a worker. Jadwiga. She looks not bad, eh? Could be like a Russian. I want to tell you something. Sorry, I don't know you well enough yet. Okay. Hey, do you have a minute? No, none of this will work. So, nice weather again. That will give you a negative for the workers. And just got back from working in the field. That's farmers only. So, it's not worth doing this at all. Oh, here's an iron hoe. We shall keep this in mind. Thievery actually works quite simple. Basically, just make sure they can't see you. As long as nobody is around the vicinity, you can take it. And reputation does matter in the end. Waldebert, hi, how are you? I'm Razimir. Oh, hi, Razimir. Yeah, nice to meet you. You know what? actually remember your name. You said your uncle was Jordan? You know, he told me once if someone of his family ever showed up, you should give him this note and this map. Maybe it's useful. I looked at the map. It's actually his old place out, where's that? West somewhere there. We've been there, but his old place is in disrepair. So maybe you can do something about it. Make it your own. It's a very nice area, but we don't have the skills to spruce it up for us. Let's have a look then at this map and the note, and we shall head out west. So this is northwest, yeah, okay. As I'm looking at the note, I'm really wondering about Unighost, that guy, but there's also more to learn. But the map is more interesting, so let's go there. And also, if you set up your game and you set up unlimited stamina, it gets rid of the breathing. Because, I mean, we don't have horses yet, so just do the unlimited stamina, and then when horses come in, maybe start a new game and get rid of it, but for now, we'll just go with unlimited stamina. And the other thing it will do is it actually allows us to just keep holding the sense button, right? So it doesn't drain, and you can just hold it and look for nice little fields. This stuff actually collects pretty quick because this stuff exists more than berries, and it's 2 for 1, but you pick up more berries with one-time picking. It's just as you walk along, you know, if you're bored, you can just pick this stuff and always have plankton on you anyways, just in case you get hurt. Like, my game is set up where animals have about 50% more damage, so they're gonna kill you pretty quick. Especially wolves. You definitely want to be aware how to kill a wolf. And again, if you have a bow very early on, it becomes fairly easy, and you don't want to battle a bear with a spear, unless maybe it's an iron spear. So let's see here. It is 19, so 7 o'clock at night, or in the evening. They're still open. All the vendors are still open. Who's this? Wildebert? He's so... Show me your ass! Actually, you can have this hammer. We're not building anything now, and we can make a hammer pretty easily. So here we go, you know. It's 2. So that's 112 in gold. Boom. And we're up to 778. Now, on to our story! Yeah!